So welcome back. Today, we are going to continue with the operators in Python. And in the last session, we have seen the arithmetic operators. And now we are going to get some illustrations on the comparison operators in Python. So I'm going to share my screen. Let's start continuing. So we are going to see the different comparison operators in Python. And today's agenda, we are going to see what are the comparison operators in Python with some sample programs, single line programs. Then we use some sample programs, which I'm going to give to you that you have to practice. And there is a Python program challenge using these comparison operators. That's a guessing game. So let's get started for today. If you look at comparison operators in Python, it is same like other languages. So the purpose of comparison operators is to compare two values or expressions. So this comparison operator returns a Boolean result, true or false, based on the comparison. And why we use them? We use them to make decisions. So while you do your programming, these comparison operators or these kind of expressions will help us to take decisions to control your program or to make out the desired outcome of the program. So there are 6 comparison operators which generally we use in Python. The first one is equal to, it's a double equal sign. The other one is not equal to. The third one is greater than. The fourth one is less than. The fifth one is greater than or equal to. And the sixth one is less than or equal to. So if you look at equal to, there are 2 symbols in that one. 2 equals are there. And if you look at not equal to, you can see 2 symbols. And greater than or equal to, again, it comes with a greater sign and equal sign. A less than or equal to, it comes with a less than sign or equal to sign. So the comparisons are made between the left operand with the right operand. In my previous session, I've told you, when we use operators or when we use expressions, the operands or the statements on the left and right have significance. So let's keep moving. What is it equal to? So, you know, it checks, this operator, it checks if the values are equal. So as you're aware, there is an operator on the left side. There is an operand on the left side and operand on the right side. Take a sample code here. We have 2 values, x equal to 5 and y equal to 5. And we are printing the result, whether it is true or false, using the comparison operator. And when we work in the Jupyter notes, the result will be like this. X equal to 5, y equal to 5. And when you do the comparison, the left operand and the right operand are checked by the equal to comparing operator. And if they are equal, it print a true value. As I told you before, the comparison operators gives only 2 kind of values, which are of Boolean type. Either it is true or false. So this is how we check with use the equal to operator. The next one is not equal to. I think these are very simple ones. The purpose is that just to familiarize you, you might have used the same in C as well. So look at this one. Here we have two values, x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. And we are trying to see whether x is not equal to y. So here the result, we are getting a value true. And when we check with the Jupyter Note or in your PyCharm editor, if you copy this code and paste it, or if you execute it, you will get the following output. The next one is greater than. You have to be very careful when you use this greater than, because it has a lot of significance on the left operand and the right operand. Here, this operator checks if the left operand is greater than the right operand. The left operand is greater than the right operand. See the sample code up here. We have x equal to 10 and y equal to 5. We are comparing the left operand x, whether it is greater than the right operand y, which is 5. And definitely we know it should give us a true value, and the result, what we print, should be true. Look at the Jupyter Notebook output. It is true. Now the next one is less than. Here, the operator checks if the left operand is less than the right operand. Let's see a sample code. In this program code, we are assigning x equal to 5 and y equal to 10. And we are comparing it using the comparison operator less than. So we definitely know x, which is on the left side, is compared with y, which is on the right side, and the result will be true. This is a less than comparison operator. See the Jupyter Notebook outcome. It's all very simple things, but these all operators, comparison operators, have significant role when we do our programming. Now let's see another one. It's a greater than or equal to. So it contains two operators. It's a combination of two comparison operators, greater than and equal to. This operator checks if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. So be cautious about left and right operands on the both sides of the operator or the comparison operator. I'm assigning a value x equal to 20, y equal to 10, and I am comparing the left operand x with the y operand y using the comparison operator greater than or equal to. So from this, we can clearly understand x is greater than or equal to y. Here, this case, x is greater than y, so the result will be true. Look at the output while we execute the program. The next one is the opposite side of that one, that is less than or equal to. Here, this operator checks if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. So see the program code here. I'm assigning x equal to 10 and y equal to 10. So in this case, we know that x is not less than y, but x is equal to y. So definitely the left operand, when it is compared with the right operand, one condition is satisfied, it is equal to, it is either less than or equal to, and we'll get a result true. Look at the outcome of the execution of the code. So when we have done this, we have just used 6 comparison operators that are used in Python. And I'm going to give you some sample programs which you can use your own logic, which you can work your own using your own methods. Use your own logic and write a program in Python to check the ended number is even. So you studied all these things in C just to familiarize and refresh your program logic and coding practices. The second one is write a program in Python to compare the ages of two individuals. So in the screen, you are going to enter the age of individual 1. Then you are going to enter the age of individual 2. Then the comparison is made and it says which is elder or younger, older, like that. The third program is write a program to check whether the ended year is a leap year. These are simple programs just to rewind, refresh what you have studied earlier. Now, today, I'm going to give you a program challenge, which is a guessing game. So in this guessing game, your screen, your program is going to interact with the user. Your program is going to generate some set of random numbers from 1 to 100. And you can use the library import. You can import a library, import random in Python. So when you start the program, you can initially start with import space random. So it will help you to generate random numbers. Now, you are interacting with the user and we are giving 7 attempts to the user. So the user is going to guess what the number is generated randomly by your program. And what you have to make sure that we have as the user makes his entry, we have to assist the user that, okay, you are too far, you are close, you are a bit high, you are far lower than the actual number. So just guide the user using all these comparison operators. So we are providing a feedback to the user as he start guessing the values, and the user should be able to guess what is the number generated. So I'm going to give a sample screen display for this while you execute the program, the screen output. So initially we are inviting the player to guess the number. So we are prompting the user saying that you can guess in between 1 to 100. And the user may type a number 21. Then we say that it is too high. So, so the user may put another number. So again, you are prompting too high. So like that, in 7 attempts, the user should be able to guess. So, we are using again the concepts of one is random number generator. That's a library available. The next one, these comparison operators are used in this one in 7 sequence of code. So within that 7 sequence of codes, the user should be able to guess the number. If not, you send a message, no, you failed, your all 7 attempts are over. So today, we have seen the 6 comparison operators in Python. They are very simple. It's not too much complicated. There is no complication. But the only thing what you have to make sure, you have to understand clearly that these comparison operators works between the operands and it works the left operand with the right operand. So that gives you a good understanding of the comparison operators. And once you've done the 3 programs that I've given to you, you get, you will refresh your previous programming skills. Then once you do this guessing game, definitely you'll be a bit more thorough with the usage of comparison operators. So hope you have enjoyed. Start working on this session. And I request you to type your name as you watch this recording in the comments so that I will know how many of you have watched this video. And in yesterday's session, we talked about the arithmetic operators, and I observed that there is significant discussion that is happening between the group who are working with the floor division. So don't worry about floor division. It is just a limelight. And we are going to use that in our next level of programming skills. Hope you enjoy the session. Please feel free to discuss the doubts what you get, or that what comes in between while do this programming. Interact among the group. If you need assistance, I will also available to you. So thanks for the spirit what you're showing to this program. So as I told you, Python is going to help you a lot. It's very simple to start with, but as you move further, you can do complicated things in an easy way. So practice, keep moving. And as I told you before, there is no limit or there is no pace for the learning. You can study as fast as possible, but I keep moving these sessions as slow, as steady, so that those who do not have that programming skills should not feel dejected. Yes, everyone can do programming. The effort you are taking, that accounts for your programming skills. So thanks for watching. Wish you a great day ahead. Thank you very much.